Hello, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sonia, and today we are going to make this super healthy and easy recipe, that's broccoli soup. So let's get started. Here I have taken 400 grams of broccoli and one medium size tomato, onion and potato. Now to a pan we will add chopped potato and onions. To this we will add 1 glass of water and salt. Now cover the lid and we will boil this for at least 10 minutes on a medium flame. After 10 minutes, low down the flame and we'll add chopped tomato and our broccoli. And add again half a glass of water. You can adjust the water accordingly. Again cover a lid and let it boil for 5 minutes on a medium flame. After 5 minutes, just check the potatoes are properly mashed and turn off the flame. Now to a different pan we will make a thick sauce, to which I am adding 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of butter and around 1 teaspoon of corn flour, and stir it on a low flame. Make sure there are no lumps. Clear the edges as and when required and just cook it for another 2 minutes and turn off the flame. I have blended all the vegetables with the help of hand blender and directly add to our sauce, and on a medium flame just stir it for at least 2 or 3 minutes. I have added salt and black pepper powder. And it's done. So enjoy this yummy and healthy soup. Try to make and let me know how it tastes on the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay beautiful. Take care. Bye.